Okay, so I've been trying to get this stupid loot chest. There's two of them. I've been trying to get them for like the past 30 minutes. Don't know where they're at. But I do know that they're right here by this waterfall, which is right here. This is what it looks like. And I've been on the top of the cliff, right up here, trying to find somewhere. There isn't anywhere. There's no vines to climb up or anything. I was just wondering if anyone else knew or knows how to fucking get the loot chests that are in that cave, because I don't. Oops. Right up there. You can see there's a cave there, but it's like impossible to get to. I don't know how I'm supposed to get to this. So if anyone knows, please, please let me know.